make a full disclosure of their financial, business, and pecuniary interests that may be directly or indirectly affected by any investigation into the government's past or present flood control project.
When the House of Representatives investigates anomalies in flood control projects, we must ask, is it wise? Is it prudent? Is it proper for this chamber to investigate itself when there are already reports that some members here may be involved in these very projects?
Of course, napasa yung motion ni Chel Jokno because kapag narinig mo yun sa news, yari ka. Nag-motion si Erice para i-invite si Congressman Zaldico na in effect owns or have stake over multiple contractors na nasa top 15 flood control project contractors. Ibig sabihin, yung nakakuha ng 100 bilyon for 2022 to 2025. At former Senator Grace Poe, na committee chairperson on Appropriations and Finance sa kanilang respective chamber. Kumbaga sila yung may hawak ng pera. Sila yung may hawak ng budget.
Sapagkat yung mismong pagpoproseso ng mga insertions na ito ay nanggaling sa mga tanggapan.
Wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Sabi nyo kanina, kahit sino masagasaan, wala tayong sasantuhin, kahit congressman, kahit senador. So paano tayo mag-iimbestiga? Paano nagkaroon ng insert? Under the name of Congressman Zaldico, ang insertion sa BICAM as proponent siya is 13,803,693,000. And we do not want to invite him as a resource person.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Comsec, can you show this? Para lang sabihin hindi ako.
Mr. Chair, with due courtesy.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
No, Mr.
I
Chair.
have the floor.